Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this glam makeup look with very less simple and affordable products. So as you can see that this is very good to go makeup. So if you like the look, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give thumbs up to the video. So before doing any makeup, make sure your face is clean. So here I am cleaning my face with Ayur cleansing milk. This is very soft on our skin, so I am using this. You can also go for any face wash or if your face is clean, you can skip this step. So after doing this, I am going to moisturize my face with Nivea soft moisturizer, which one is my favorite, as you all know if you watch my videos. So I am applying this all over my face, on my face and even on my neck area. And leaving it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Meanwhile, I am using Vaseline petroleum jelly to moisturize my lips. Now coming to the makeup, I am using here Lakme CC cream because this is very simple makeup look. So here I am using CC cream, not any foundation or concealer. I am applying it all over my face, even on my neck area. And I am blending this CC cream with Kabuki brush. This is flat from front side. This makes blending very easy, very affordable. So I am dabbing this CC cream. After that, for setting my base, I am using here Compact from Lakme. Applying it with very light hand and dusting off the extra product. Now see, it gives the smooth finish to the base. So our base makeup is complete. Now coming to the eye makeup, first I am applying eyebrow pencil. This is for Camelin and this is very cheap eyebrow pencil. Just filling my brows. I am not giving any extra shape to my brows, just filling the gaps and that's it. So here I am using mascara. If you use mascara on your eyebrows, it gives long lasting effect. You don't have to set every time your eyebrows, so this gives the long lasting effect. Now taking the face palette from Sugar, and I am taking the bronzer shade and applying it all over my crease. Just apply a little product because we are creating a very simple makeup here. After that, I am taking the blush shade from the same palette and applying it all over my lid. Make sure you apply it very light handed. Now I am taking eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty, and from this I am taking this maroon shade and applying it corners of my lid. See, like this. Now coming to the kajal, I am here using Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and with the help of this kajal I am using it as a eyeliner. If you want to use eyeliner you can go for it, but I am using kajal for the eyeliner. And applying same process with the second eye. Now coming to the same palette, face palette from Sugar, and taking the contour shade and creating crease on my lower lid. In this makeup I am not using kajal on my lower waterline. See, eyes looks bigger now. Now coming to the mascara. So for applying mascara I am just curling my lashes and applying the same mascara, that is Maybelline Sensational Mascara. This is very good and affordable mascara because it curls your eyelashes, it makes your eyelashes look thicker and longer. If you want more structure to your lashes, you can apply 2 coats. Now giving dimension to the face, I am using here face palette from Sugar, the same palette I use for the eyeshadow. So by taking the contour shade I am creating contour here on my forehead, my cheeks, even on my nose. After that I am taking blush shade and just applying it on my apple of my cheeks. Now coming to the highlighter, to highlight I am using highlighter from the same palette and applying it all over my high points. Now taking the same highlighter shade from pointed brush, see my eye looks extra large and extra dimensional eyes. And with the same highlighter I am applying it on my brow bone. Now coming to the lipstick, I am using here Faces Canada Nude shade. Now our makeup is complete. Now coming to the jewelry. For jewelry I am only using earrings here. Give any hairstyle. After that I am using bindi. Now makeup is complete. Final look is here. So if you like the look, please give thumbs up to the video. Subscribe to my channel. You can use this look for any festival. This is very simple, good to go look.